Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Create a Bootstrap button. Bootstrap has its own style for button elements, which looks much better than the plain HTML ones. Create a new button element below your large kitten photo. Give it the button and button default class, as well as the text of like. Okay. Below image, we will create a button with class of btn default. Okay, as well as text of like. This is the button. Let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.